He will be pleased to see so many of his friends and family gathered here today. When we knew him as father, grandmother, uncle, or friend, we can all agree that he was a man worthy of respect, high regards, and appreciation. And indeed, oh my God, I thought of him as affectionate, generous, compassionate, long-felt, gorgeous, storyteller, and a family man. These are just the few words that describe his character. I remember growing up, my family moved a lot because of certain situations my parents had at that time. My siblings and I didn't exactly have the ideal childhood life like most kids would. But our lolo was made up for it, for his love and support. He was always there for us, kids, and for our parents, even when he didn't approve of some of the things my parents did or the decisions they made along the way. Still, he did not lecture or judge them for their actions. He simply continued providing for us, trusted my parents, and took us out time and time again. Him and my late Lola were always there whenever we needed them. My Lola was a great provider to everyone, especially to his family. He did the best that he could with what he had to give his children and grandchildren. All the good things life has to offer. He has provided us with this unconditional love that reflects much who we are today. In the past, I had been my Lola's personal nurse after he started having problems with his health. It became really the emotion that I had to live in 2011 and live a life with my husband. Making love was a hard thing for me to do, especially when he told me this statement. Si Pao, bayaan mo na po. Si Pao na ang nurse ko. It crushed my heart to hear him say that. And to see it's a word. So I just told him, kailangan sa Jimmy, kailangan kasi yan. Kailangan. Being away gave me the guilty feeling of not being there for him when times in which he needed me the most. I'm sorry, Lolo. Lolo, kung nagkambay, pagkakulan mo ko. Seeing you in the state of decline so much harder than dealing with your loss. Knowing the fact that I'm so far away, there's nothing that I could See Robert and Tim just smile. Him eating at the table. Hanging out of the store across this house with his buddy. Singing songs like that episode. Bahay ko. Bahay at pangpangay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star trots. Cracking some jokes. Handing out money to kids and adults outside the house. But to my parents, my titas and titos, especially my siblings and my cousins, look around you right now. Look at what Lolo has left for us. It isn't the material things that he has given us. It is the family. The family is his legacy, and everyone, and you, everyone are part of it. Maswerte kita pala kay Lolo. And we hope to continue his legacy and values that he left for us. Lolo, I will forever grateful for your life and the example you set us. You will always be in our hearts. We love you and we miss you.
Good morning, each and every one. You're very dear to me. I couldn't find the exact word to describe